We are putting the EVLC bus through its paces, making sure everything is working properly. Testing on actual humans. Hey Victor, yeah, show us the motor back there. You know how to open that thing? You gotta push and lift it up high. Yep. No dangling wires. Yep, all good. Everything seems to be in. No leaking coolant.
Wire right there.
Yep, we have our two USB connections. One for the EVCC, the EV charge controller, and the other one is for the BMS. Everything is good. No blown fuses. All good in here. Everything is holding together. We do need some, definitely some new tires up front. And these things I am sure are aged out. How does it ride, Victor?
Pretty well. And if you go inside, there's also something you can do.
What is there? We need to lubricate the squeezy handles, yep. Okay, tell me.
If you go in here.
Oh yeah, good, it makes a ding. Awesome. Get in.
Oh.
It's a big tall bus. You gotta really get in. It's probably the first SUV. Okay, you having fun in the bus?
Yes.
Okay, now we're off to the library.
Adios.
Everything is working properly on the bus. We verified it'll charge to 100%. It's a little bit slow towards the end. We may need to tweak that, but I think it's doing what it's supposed to. Performance-wise, start out in second gear. Go to third when you're going about 40 or 50. We do need a tachometer of some kind in there. That would be good. Some instrumentation to tell you how the bus is doing. The wiring is pretty clean. We need to find that CAN wire somehow here. These new upholstered seats are beautiful. In the back here we've got very creative seat covers. It's pretty comfortable. Need some seat belts back there. There's no seat belts back there, right,
Yeah.
Victor?
No seat belts.
All right. Let's see what the gauges say right now. I can't see this with my polarized glasses on. It says we're at 83% battery, but I'm not sure that's calibrated right.
Oh, it's 830.
Nope, 83% full. Okay, the start procedure for the bus is you put the key in and you turn it on. You don't need to start it. You don't need to go to the start position. Gear shift in second gear. Emergency brake is coming off. Now what's very weird to me is you have to go into reverse, but leave this in second. You pretty much leave it in second when you're starting and up till about 40 or 50 miles an hour. And we're on a hill now, so I don't even think I'll need to put it in gear. The other thing hard to get used to is there is no reverse camera. That's a very good upgrade option for here. You have a very short nose.
And also you have to, if you keep the steering wheel sideways, it's actually going straight, so it makes it a lot more.
It needs an alignment to straighten the steering wheel out. So now we go back into forward. All good. You don't have to shift gears with the gear shift knob. You just go into forward.
Yep. This switch right there.
And it's like driving a bus. You got a big steering wheel. You got to turn it more times than you think you would have to. It's an old bus, so you got to give yourself a little more braking distance than you think you should. Turn signals, headlights, all that normal stuff works just fine.
And of course, going straight, sometimes...
Yeah,
yep.
We're going straight and you see the wheel is at an angle, but that's normal old bus stuff.
Old bus stuff, we're gonna fix that someday.
I should have made a video about the shutdown procedure as well. First of all, the key only works in one direction. If it's not turning, flip it over and put it in again. I don't think it got made right. Forward reverse switch, put it back in the middle. Emergency brake, pull it hard, and then pull it a little bit harder. There will be wheel chocks in here. If you're at any kind of an angle too, put the wheel chocks on, because this brake doesn't work all that good. And the other part of shutdown procedure is put it back in neutral. That's the safest. So if you forget this and somebody presses the gas by accident while it's on and this, it won't go anywhere. So neutral, emergency brake pull and pull it a little more, key off and out, all good.